Hello friends, welcome back on my channel, Speak Fluent. In today's video, I would like to tell some abuse word. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then do. If you did already, thank you. Number 1. Bastard, Harami Kamina. Number 2. Black tongue, Kali Juban. Number 3. Cynic, Sanki. Number 4. Bitch, Kutia. Number 5. Pandora's box, Afat ki Puliya. Number 6. Bloody yokel, Unpad Gawar Insan. Number 7. Timid, Fattu. Number 8. Two-faced, Domoha. Number 9. Frivolous, Chichora. Number 10. Fatas, Mota Sand. Number 11. Sucks, Bekar. Number 12. Short-tempered, Satkuk Jaldi Gussa Karne Wala. Number 13. Arrogant, Ghamandi. Number 14. Asshole, Ghatiya Insan. Number 15. Go to hell, Bahar mein jao. Number 16. Braggart, Fenkne wala. Number 17. Liar, Jhutha. Number 18. Bloody jerk, Sala Jhandu. Number 19. Damas, Chutiya. Number 20. Bamhol maa ki aankh. Number 21. Dumb idiot, Bakalol. Number 22. Henpeck, Joru ka gulam. Number 23. Gaggle of gutless, Ullu ka pattha. Number 24. Old fart, Buddha khusat. Number 25. Son of witch, Bhootni ke. Number 26. Pimp, Bharwa. Number 27. Diddle a person, Gandi soch ka aadmi. Number 28. Swindler, Dhokebaj. Number 29. Unworthy, Nalayak. Number 30. What a rubbish, kya bakwas hai. Number 31. Nonsense, Anak Shanak. Number 32. Scam, Lucha. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And a slow subscribe my channel, Speak Fluent, and like and share this video.